Hi, I'm Mary Nicole with 7 Home Pros. Let's hear more from our local patio and pool experts, PMS Brick Pavers.
We're a local construction company. Our focus is in brick pavers, and we offer services ranging from installation to repairs and maintenance.
Planning of the design and approvals from the client to make sure that they get exactly the design they want. When we go out and look at the job, we want to know the soil conditions, we want to know elevations, we want to know all those details because that's going to factor in how we build this project and build it to last. We're very excited to offer pools. We've hired somebody to actually help us install these pools to make sure that they go in properly, making sure that our customers receive that same level of service they get from our brick paving.
PMS is celebrating 25 years of service. Right now, get a free premium lighting package with your new patio or 15% off patio maintenance and repair. PMS Brick Pavers. We're the guys.